In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add advance payment in Zoho Books. If you find this video useful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. First, begin by opening your preferred web browser and heading to Zoho's website. If you're not familiar with Zoho, it's an online suite of software that manages various business functions, and Books is part of it. Once you're there, navigate to the top right corner and click on the Sign In button. If you're not already signed in, you'll need to enter your credentials. Zoho's interface is straightforward, but if you ever need help, there's always support available. After signing in, you're going to be brought to the Zoho homepage. From here, you want to look for the Books application. The interface is designed to make navigation easy, so all your main tools are neatly organized. Click on Books to open the application. This will lead you to the dashboard where you can manage all things related to accounting for your business. It provides you with an organized view of your financial health. Once you're in Zoho Books, direct your attention to the left-hand side panel where you'll find a section labelled Sales. Click on it. This section is where you keep track of all your sales transactions and customer payments. After you've clicked Sales, you'll then want to find the option labelled Payment Received. Clicking this will guide you to a menu where you can manage all incoming payments. Now, we are going to add a new payment. You'll see a button that says New. Go ahead and click on that. This is the moment where you'll be inputting the specifics of this advance payment. After you click New, a form will appear prompting you to fill in details such as customer name, payment amount, and the date of the transaction, among other information. This is a critical step, so make sure to enter all data correctly to avoid any issues later on. Once you've filled out all the necessary fields, double check all the information to ensure accuracy. Finally, click Save and you're done. You've successfully added an advance payment in Zoho Books. And that wraps up our tutorial. Remember, keeping accurate records is key to managing your business efficiently. Feel free to revisit this video if you need a refresher, and don't hesitate to explore the other features Zoho Books offers that might benefit your business management tasks. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.